If you are using the Autopilot add-on within Augmentt, you can utilize our posture templates. With the posture templates, instead of going through the security posture one check at a time, you can create templates or use existing templates from Augmentt to apply multiple settings at once within a customer's environment. There are 4 default posture templates that Augmentt provides. You cannot edit these, but you can duplicate them and then edit the copies. And if you click into any of the existing templates, you can see what the posture checks are that we are modifying and what compliance status we are going to modify them to. You can create brand new templates as well. When you create a new template, you can name it whatever you'd like, and then you can add an optional description. And then you can go through each of the available posture checks and determine which ones you'd like to include in your template and what compliance status you want to set these to. Once you have configured your template, hit the Save Template button.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.